how to use Rate My Ride on Transit app. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how we can use Rate My Ride on Transit app. So the first step is to sign in into your transit application. Once you're signed in, you'll be brought to the home page automatically. Now you must note that Rate My Ride is an excellent feature available in the transit app that allows riders to provide feedback during their trips, and here is how it works. When users opt in to go step-by-step navigation, the app will determine when a rider is waiting at the stop, when they are boarded, and when they are disembarked. This data not only helps the trip to be smoother, but also improves real-time data for others and allow readers to share crowd-sourced real-time crowding information. So Rate My Ride is an ongoing intercept survey that collects reader feedback as you ride. Alright, and as you continue your ride, the app asks riders using Go the following default questions, such as: do you think this stop is a wheelchair accessible? All of that. So you can just answer this question in order to rate. You can just answer these questions as a customer, and then as a rider you can customize these questions, okay, on the site in order to get further information about how your ride was, and also to improve your points as a rider on the transit app. And then you can also check this out by moving to the top left corner of the screen where you can see the gear icon. Once you click on this gear icon, you can be brought to the page where you see use Go Rider Appreciation. So you can just click on this and then click on next. And then for you, if you are a rider, this interface will be different, okay? And then you can now customize it such that you can include custom questions they have, and this is perfect for localized feedback on specific lines or at specific times of the day. So when you have customized this, and if you get positive feedbacks, your star rating on the transit app will be increased, and you will be a more effective or a more recommended rider on transit app. So here is how we can use it, okay? It is very simple. Just navigate around it and you'll be directed on what to do. Thanks for watching and have a good day.